How can you fix the incorrectly shown screen time on your iPhone? Let me show you some possibilities that we have. Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So at first, I would go to the main settings app where you can see the screen time, of course, and you can see that it might show some incorrect data. So at first, I would just go to the main page to show up, all of the detailed information, and I would just make sure that I'm looking at the proper device. Because if you have more devices synced with that Apple ID or with that account, it is possible that you are seeing it put all together in a summary from all devices, which might include your iPad, MacBook, whatever, or you can also switch between the devices. So this might cause some issues. Right? So just make sure you have the proper view that you are looking at. But then if it's still causing some issues, I would try to find the solution elsewhere. So I would go to the general section, date and time. That's kind of important, I would say. And I personally keep it set to automatic. So, it doesn't get really corrupted in any way, right? So that's how I like to keep it. And I would recommend you to keep it the same way. But then since we are inside of the general section, it would make sense to go to the software update and install the latest version of the iOS if there is a new one available, because that might cause some bugs to be fixed. If it included that particular thing for the screen time, it might work better after the update. And if it still does not work, I would just go to the screen time, and at the bottom, we have the turn off app and website activity. So you just stop this from being tracked. The screen time will not work if you turn it off like this. So you can sort of reset it by turning it off, perhaps waiting a bit, and then you turn it back on. You're going to start fresh, and it should then track the time of the applications and all of the usage normally and properly. So I hope that I could help you out with this. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and explanations like this. And I'll see you later in the next videos as well.